Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Abbas and today I want to share my experience and learning from a very interesting project I did. The project is called Installation of Smart Solar Powered Watering Cleaning System and it was done for a sustainable project management course. This project was special to me because I worked on something that can actually help people in real life by giving them clean drinking water using and the solar energy. In this video, I will talk about what the project was about, how we planned it, who was involved, what I learned, and how it helped me grow as a student and a future project manager. So first the thing I would like to tell you guys what the project was about. So the project was about helping people in DHA Lahore get clean water at home. So it is a specific area in Pakistan city Lahore, DHA. It's a kind of housing society. So many areas in Pakistan have water that is not safe to drink. Also, some places have power cuts, which makes it hard to use electric uh, water filters. So we designed a system that uses solar power to run a smart water cleaning machine. So this means it doesn't need an electricity from WAPDA. It works using sunlight. It's better for the environment. It can be used in homes easily. So the system filters dirty water and gives safe water for drinking and cooking, and it's also cost effective. So it's good for families who don't have a lot of money. So now would like to discuss how we planned the project. So we planned the whole project step by step. Each step is called a phase. Here is how we did it. So we have created a Gantt chart after this project. So I would like share my slides with you of that Gantt chart. So we have we worked with designers first. So no, it's firstly I would like to tell about like we have different phases. Initiation phase, we started by thinking about what the system would look like and what parts we would need and who would do the work. So uh, we worked with designers, programmers, and a project manager to plan everything. After that, we did a very important step called identify and consult stakeholders. This means we talk to people who are connected to the project, like people living in the area, like they will use the system, and the government people, like we have to give permissions from that government bodies and sponsors, the peoples who will give money and provide financials to us, suppliers, the peoples who will give us materials and the things we will need at to execute that project. So the next thing was NGOs. They help teach, they will help the community about the system, and they will make them elaborations about it. So we asked them questions, listened to their opinions, and made changes to the plan based on what they said. This helped us make the system better. So now I would like to tell about the managing resources and budget. One of the most important was our cost and how we have uh, regulate our money. So we made a resource sheet, which is a list of who is working on the project, what materials we need, and uh, who is working on the project, and how much we will pay them. So how many weeks will they will work? For example, designers. worked for 12 weeks. Programmers did the smart part of the system. We also had installation and maintenance teams. So, as mentioned here in the Gantt chart, we also had needed solar panels and water filters. The total cost of the project was around PKR 481 200. So we had to make sure we stayed in the budget and still used good quality parts. So this taught me how important it is to plan money carefully in any project. So second thing was talking to stakeholders. So like people involved. Talking to stakeholders was a big part of the project. A stakeholder is anyone who is affected by the project. So each stakeholder had different needs. Local people wanted water that is safe and not too expensive. So government wanted us to follow rules and keep things safe. So we have to take permissions from the government. Sponsors wanted to know how their money will be used. Suppliers wanted clean timelines to send us the parts. NGOs helped spread awareness in the community. So we talked to them using emails, meetings, reports, and even messages. This helped build trust and made everyone feel like they were part of the team. So now I would like to tell you about risk management and monitoring. So we also had to think about what could go wrong. This is called risk management. So how are some possible risks? The solar system could not stop working. Materials might arrive late. Some people might not trust the system. So there are many risks like weather could affect solar powers, like bought extra parts as a backup, talk to the community early so they could understand. So we have solved these problems. We solved these. We used waterproof and strong materials for safety. So we overcome over these problems. Like this project taught us many things. First, I learned how to plan a project from start to end. I saw how different people with different skills come together to work on something useful. Second, I learned that a good project is not just technical. It must be useful to people, safe for the environment, managed with care, so accepted by the community. Third, I learned how to solve problems calmly and how to talk to different types of people. These are very important skills for any future career. So, like we were discussing about planning phase, monitoring phase, stakeholders. So we do have a whole resource sheet, created whole resource sheet, like which cost. Uh, how units for materials and how much rate for labor and like how much will be provided for work hours and like total cost. So we have created a whole sheet for the this project. So, final thoughts I would like to tell. I just want to say that this project really helped me grow. I feel more confident now as a future project manager. I also feel more connected to the idea of sustainability, which means doing things that are good for people and planet. So this project was just an assignment for me. It was a chance to work on something real and meaningful. Clean water is basic need, and I feel proud that I worked on a project that can make a real difference in people's lives. So thank you. I would like to like uh, on in conclusion, like this solar powered system promotes local sustainable, intelligent uh, design, technology, and sustainability. So, while plant and solar maintenance and community participation boost social effects, so stakeholders, participants risk management, health and safety, and environmental and social impacts. Like these are the main project objectives. So we have to maintain these things properly. These components provide like safe installation for community empowerment and lifespan. So this new technology and project may reconcile sustainability, social equity, and economic viability. So this will promote sustainable development by fulfilling clean water demands to provide environment impact. So thank you so much for watching and listening to my reflection. I hope you would like it. Thank you so much.